And that night, Èzili Dantò, she possessed Mambo Marinette, who was a voodoo priestess at that time. And now Marinette is considered and served as a loi. Yeah, humans can become loi. Èzili Dantò will also help a person for a very little sacrifice on their part. And Èzili Dantò, she's also considered as being the patron of lesbians. Okay, a lot of people think that she turns women gay, specifically non-voodooists. So Èzili Freda is supposedly her sister, so they were fighting over her man. Welcome to my channel, guys, and happy new year. In today's video we are going to talk about the loi Èzili Dantò in Haitian voodoo. Èzili Dantò, guys, she is the main loi or the queen of the Peto family of loi in Haitian voodoo. That's why many voodooists may call her mother. She is known to be a protector of women, especially single mother, of children and neglects of society. People who are treated as being at the bottom of society. She deals revenge against those who wrong them. She is the most perfect mother one could wish to have. She watches and cares for her children very much. She can be a disciplinarian, and people say that she doesn't tolerate children behaving badly. She is tough, okay? She will defend and protect her family till the very end, okay? Èzili Dantò will also help a person for a very little sacrifice on their part. She is often depicted as being a fearsome black woman, protectively holding her baby in her arm while holding a dagger with the other hand. And she has like 2 scars on her face. Even if they are just 2 scars, people call them 3 marks, okay? So basically the story behind those scars is that Èzili Freda, another loi, I have a video about her if you want to check that out. So Èzili Freda is supposedly her sister, so they were fighting over her man, okay? Some say that they were fighting over Èzili Freda's husband, Cousin Zaka, and others say that they were fighting over Èzili Dantò's husband, Hogo. Okay, so supposedly while they were fighting, Èzili Dantò, she stashed her dagger into Èzili Freda's heart, and Èzili Freda, she took the dagger out and she did like 2 cuts on Èzili Dantò's face. Yeah. So remember, I told you guys, these stories about the loi, they are made by humans so that we can understand, you know, the loi better, okay? They're not supposed to be taken literally, okay? And Èzili Dantò, she's also considered as being the patron of lesbians, okay? A lot of people think that she turns women gay, specifically non-voodooists. A lot of non-voodooists do think so, and a minority of voodooists think so, but that's not really true, okay? Remember I told you that the loi, they have nothing to do with people's sexual orientation, okay? It just happens that if you have like some qualities in you that they resonate with, you know, they like those qualities, your qualities match theirs, so they are more likely, you know, to love you and protect you, okay? And also, she is a loi of point. That means some people, they devout a day or 2 in honor of her while asking her, you know, for blessings and favors. Èzili Dantò's wealth to a person most of the time lasts and can pass on from generation to another. Whereas Èzili Freda, if she's upset with you, she may take all the wealth that she gave you overnight. And also, if Èzili Freda blesses you with material wealth, well, Èzili Dantò, she may give you the spiritual knowledge needed to navigate through those materials reality. Remember I told you that Èzili Dantò, she holds a baby. Well, her name is Anaïs. Anaïs is her daughter. Well, Anaïs is considered as being a translator and interpreter for Èzili Dantò because Èzili Dantò, she is mute. She cannot speak. The only sound that she can do is k, k, k. Well, the story behind why she's mute is very fascinating. Well, the reason why she's mute is because in the Haitian revolutionary time, the slaves, they were doing like a ceremony to call on the Loi to help them, specifically Èzili Dantò and her husband Ogu. Well, they were calling the Loi to help them defeat the colonizers, and that night Èzili Dantò, she possessed Mambo Marinette, who was a voodoo priestess at that time. Well, her own people cut out her tongue so that she wouldn't give secrets about them if she's captured. And since then, Èzili Dantò, she cannot speak anymore. She can only do a KK sound, okay? So her interpreter is Anaïs, okay? And now Marinette is considered and served as a Loi. Yeah, humans can become Loi. I will do another video about this. I will show you guys a short video dedicated to Dantò, and then we'll come back afterward. hope you're enjoying the video so far, so leave me a comment please. Her favorite colors are red, black, and blue. And her favorite sacrifices are black pigs and black rooster. Her perfumes are Lavdor and Florida, and she often drinks Florida water too. Yeah. Her days are Tuesdays and Saturdays. If you are a man serving Èzili Dantò, you should wear a ring that has like a blue stone in it. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification button so that whenever I upload a video, YouTube may notify you. I'm a